Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see exercise 6.1 in the chapter of squares and square roots. In the previous video, I have given an introduction video in which it covers all the formulas and all the examples required for this exercise. Clear? Now let's get into the exercise. So in this exercise, I have tried to cover all the problems. But still, if I did not cover any of the problems, you can do them by yourself. They are very easy. And if I teach each and every problem, you just get habituated to listen. But you have to give work to your brain also. Then only you can solve easily. Then only your brain becomes active. So some of the problems I left them to you. You have to solve them. Clear? Now. So the first bit is, what will be the units digit of squares of the following numbers? Clear? This is the first bit. So in this bit, you have to find out the units digit. In the previous video, I already said you the units digit of the numbers ending with 1, 9 will end with 1, 2, 8 with 4 and all. So if you have missed this concept, go back to the previous video and listen. But this is one of the method, and the other method is you have to take the units digit of the number which he asked. 81 is the number which he asked, and you have to square 1. So 1 square will be 1. 1 square is having 1 in the units digit. So in the same way, 81 will also have 1 only in the units digit. Clear? Now going for the second example, 2 is in the units digit. 2 square will be equal to 4. So this will also have 4 in the units digit. Now 799. 799, 9 is in the units digit. So 9 square will be 81. Okay, here you have 1, you have 4, you have directly written. But now you have got a 2-digit number. So what will be the units digit now? The units digit of this square will be the units digit. Clear? So when you are asked to find out the units digit of square of any number, you have to find the units digit of square of the last number. Clear? Now going for this 3. 3853, it is ending with 3, so you have to find out square of 3, that is 9, so the units digit will be 9. The next is 4. 4 square is 16 and it ends with 6. The next is 7. 7 square is 49 and it ends with 9. 8. The next is 52698. The units digit is 8. 8 square is 64, so it is going to end with 4. Okay. Now 0 is in the last digit. So 0 square is what? When you square it, again you will be getting 0 only in the units digit, right? So it is 0, you can directly write. Now, and 12796, here 6 square is equal to 36, so 6 is in the units digit. Here 5 square is equal to 25, so 5 is in the units digit. Clear? In this way you can find out the units digit. Okay, the next thing, the following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. He itself gave that they are not perfect squares, and he is asking you to give the reason. Why? Because I already said you in the previous video, the numbers which end with 2, 3, 7, 8, these 4 numbers can never be perfect squares. Okay, numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, the numbers ending with these numbers can never be perfect squares. So 7 here you have in the units digit, so it can never be perfect square because it is having 7 in the units digit. Here it is having 3, no, and okay, here it is having 0. 0 can be in the units digit, but you have to have even number of zeros. Okay, you have to have even number of zeros in the last in order to make it a perfect square. Here you have only 3 zeros. 3 is an odd number, it is not an even number, right? So that is the reason why this is also not a perfect square. Clear? Now third question, the square of which of the numbers will be odd numbers, he is asking you. Now see, squares of which of the numbers will be odd numbers? Among these numbers, which number square will be odd numbers? How can you find out whether a number is an odd number or not? You can find it out if it is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. With any of these digits, it is said to be an odd number. Clear? Now you have to just simply find out the units digit of each and everything. Here it is ending with 1, so 1 square is equal to 1. It is ending with 1, so this number square is an odd number. Clear? Now 6 square is equal to 36. It is ending with 6, which is not an odd number, it is an even number. So its square will not end with an odd number, right? Now it is ending with 9. 9 square is equal to 81, and 81 is ending with 1, which is an odd number. So that is the reason why its perfect square is going to be the odd number. Now here you have 4 in the units digit. 4 square will be equal to 16, where 6 is an even number, it is not an odd number. So its perfect square will also not be an odd number. Clear? Now let us move on to our fourth question. This is a very easy question. Just like it is not even related to math, it is just related to your understanding. Very interesting question. Okay, 11 square is 121, right? So 101 square is 10201. That means when you are inserting 10 in between these two, here you have 11, and in this step you are inserting 10 between 11, right? So when you are inserting 10, you have to put a 0 before 2 and after 2. That's all. Here you are inserting 0, 1, 0. When you are for 1, 0, here you are writing 0 to 0, and for this 0 you are writing 0 to 0. In middle you have to write 3. Clear? Now you have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Clear? So for this 1 will be as it is. For this second 0 you have to write 0 to 0. For this 1 you have to write 3. And again for this 0, 0, 4, 0. Again for this 1 you have to write 3. Again for this 0, 0 to 0 and 1 again. Clear? If you observe it, it is very easy for you. No need to worry. Okay, now here let us go. Here for 1 you have to write 1 as it is. For 0 to 0 you have to write 0. For 3, 1, right? For 0, 4, 0 you have to write another 0. For 5, 1 as it is. Next you have 0, 4, 0. For 0, 4, 0 you have to write 0 again. For 3 you have to write 1 as it is. And for 0 to 0 you have to write 0 again, and for 1 you have to write 1 as it is. Okay, this is how you have to solve this type of questions. First you have to observe the pattern on both LHS and also RHS, that is left hand side and right hand side. What is the pattern? Where is it matching? So according to that you have to write out the answer. Very simple question. Clear? Now I've skipped the fourth question in middle because it is similar to fifth question. You can answer it easily by looking at the fourth question, by looking at the fifth question. Clear? Now let us move on to the sixth question. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. He is asking where the number is missing. You have to find out this number, this, and also this. You have to find out 4 numbers here using this pattern. So what did you observe here? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 12 and so on. Here 1 into 2 is equal to this 2. Okay, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, and this 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Got it? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here also you see 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 3 into 4 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Here 4 into 5 is 20 and 20 plus 1 is 21. Clear? You are able to observe the pattern, right? Now here 5 into dash will give you 30. 5 into 6 will give you 30. So you have to put 6 here. Here 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. Here you have to multiply both of them. You will get 42. And here what you are writing, one number more than the number here, right? So it is 43. Got it? Let us check now. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus again 2 square is 4, that is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That is equal to 3 square. So this is correct. So here again 2 square is equal to 4. So 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 and plus 6 square is 36, and that is equal to 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 36 is equal to 49. So this is equal to 7 square. So this is also satisfied in this way. Now without adding, find the sum. This is your 7th question. I already said you sum of n odd numbers will be equal to n square. This is the formula we have. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 odd numbers. So that will be equal to 5 square and that will be equal to 25. Very simple, very easy. Now in the second question you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 odd numbers and that will be equal to 10 square and that will be equal to 100. Simple. Clear? Now this is how you have to find out the sum of the odd numbers without adding. You can directly find. If you have to add, you have to add 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. You have to do this for a long time. But this is very easy, right? Now, 8th question. In 8th question, express 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers he is asking. 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. 49 is a 7 square, right? You can write it as sum of first 7 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. So sum of 7 odd numbers is equal to 49. You can check if you want to check because he is asking us to express it as odd numbers and that too only 7 odd numbers. Okay? Clear? 49 you can express it as 7 square and that is equal to n square when you take. So n will be equal to 7. N is equal to 7 is nothing but what? Here you have to add first 7 odd numbers in order to get 49. Clear? Next is 121. Okay. Now 121 is equal to 11 square. When you express it as n square, n will be equal to 11. So that means when you are adding first 11 natural numbers, you are getting 121. So 1 square, sorry, not natural numbers, odd numbers. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 11 square, 13 square, plus 15 square, plus 17 square, plus 19 square, plus 21 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 squares. Got it? First 11 odd number squares you can express it as is equal to 121. Clear? I'm sorry. This is not the way. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 you have to do. I'm sorry, this is not the method. In this way you have to just add the odd numbers, not the squares of the odd numbers. Clear? So that is 121. Clear? So forget this. I'm sorry for that. And how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? Now see that this is a formula. I hope you guys remember. Between n and n plus 1, between squares of n and n plus 1 square, there will be 2n natural numbers existing. This is the formula which I have already said you in the previous video and I have proved it also. You can go back to the previous video and check it out. Clear? Now, so between n square and n plus 1 whole square, you will be having 2n natural numbers. This is the formula. Here 12 and 13 you can express as 12 and 12 plus 1, right? So this is in the form of n and n plus 1. So you can directly say that there will be 2n natural numbers between them where n is equal to 12. So 2 into 12, that is equal to 24. So there will be 24 numbers between 12 square and 13 square. Okay? This is how you have to solve this problem. Got it? The next is 25 and 26. You can express 25 and 25 plus 1, right? So this is in the form of n and n plus 1. Got it? Now here n is equal to 25. So there will be 2n numbers between n square and n plus 1 whole square. So 2n will be equal to 2 into 25, that is equal to 50. There will be 50 numbers between 25 square and 26 square. And 24 numbers between 12 square and 13 square. Clear? Nothing. You have to multiply with 2. This is first number. Clear? That's all for this video. I've covered 6.1 entire exercise. If you have any other doubts, let me know in the comments so that I'll clarify for you. And in the next video, I'll be coming up with 6.2 exercise as well. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, share with your friends, and if you understood clearly whatever I've explained in this video, just hit the like button, and in the description I'll give you the link of the WhatsApp group. If you want to join the group, you can join using the link, and if you want any notes or if you want any doubts so that I can personally clarify, you can text in that and I'll definitely reply you. And if you have any doubts and if you want me to include any other subjects or topics, let me know in the comments so that I'll do it for you. Okay, thank you guys.